Hey guys, it's Mark from Erickson Machine and Performance. This is going to be a little different video today. We're going to be souping up my son's PowerWheels. Right, Cole?
Yeah.
So I'm going to walk you through everything. Stock 12 volt, general PowerWheels. The modification we did is I 3D printed a battery adapter for the Milwaukee batteries to run 18 volts. What do you want to say, bub?
That's because it's Father's Day.
Oh, it's Father's Day? Yeah, it's also Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Let's get started. Guys, so this is the stock 12 volt battery. The battery's a little worn, so it's a little tired, but we're just going to show you the comparison of the two. Go for it, bub. Oh, the battery's dying. Let's stop.
What?
Boring, right? We want it to go faster.
Daddy, so maybe we should put the fast battery in.
You want to put the fast batteries in? Okay,
yeah.
So let's do that. So the way I have this set up, I just have it set up where we could plug the stock battery in. As you can see, the stock battery is really tired. I haven't charged it in a little bit, but I think it's like 4 or 5 miles an hour. So what I did is I have a voltage cutoff for the lithium batteries. We 3D printed 2 battery mounts. It's really neat. You 3D print it. It just uses a male spade connector that you push through, hot glued in and screwed in. So all we do, we clip them in.
And then we go for a head.
Then we go fast?
Yeah. So then the movie started.
So that's how it's all set up. I have it where it cuts off at 16 volts. That's the main thing with these. If you overdrain them, you can damage them. The cool thing with this is, I'm a Milwaukee guy. All the stuff I have is Milwaukee. But if you're rigid or dewalled or anything like that, you're good to go. As you can see, it's upside down here, but it's almost 20 volts. So the battery's fully charged or almost 20 volts. So,
can I hold it?
Well, why don't you just drive instead? Let me strap this.
And how you drive it is with this thing. Whatever way you want to go, you push it those ways with the top. And if you want to go backward, you do this thing. And you do this thing. But if it's down, that means forward. So when it's up, that goes backwards.
Okay, well, let's see you go forward fast. That's backwards. Go forward.
Okay.
The one cool thing with this setup, we've been running it for, I don't know, maybe a week and a half or so now. You get like 45 minutes to an hour run with him beating on it. Him and my daughter play on it. So the run time's significantly longer and it goes way faster. Do a donut. In my opinion, it's one of the coolest upgrades you can do to a PowerWheels. It's really the only thing we did to it. Go for it. It's cooler, the fast one or the slow one?
The fast one's faster. So then we're gonna I'll show you. So I'll show you how it works. So this thing times it up how many minutes it works. And this thing is the battery that makes it fast. This one's the slow battery. So these screws hold this thing here.
Yep, that's how it works. That's a perfect explanation, buddy.
Now the movie's over.
Okay, that sounds perfect. Please like, subscribe, share the video.